Hi. It's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a hell yeah? Yeah, so it's been a very long time. How you been? I took a bit of a break and that's what I felt was right at the time, without getting into great detail, but I really miss it and I'm happy to be back and to get into this video. I'm calling this video a icebreaker or a test run, I guess, where I'm really focusing on using products I'm comfortable with, just getting through some quick glam to ice break and remind myself I know how to do YouTube. So if you want to see how to get this look, it's only 2 eyeshadows and we're using the Pat McGrath Holiday palette, then please stay tuned. I miss you guys so much, and if you're watching this, by the way, I'm so grateful that you're here, still here. Let's get into it. I mean, what a better way to break the ice on my channel than to keep it real as an OG Pat McGrath stan and use the holiday palette. So this is different. I haven't seen really like a lot of matte colors from Pat McGrath that are kind of bright like this. So this is really unique. And what I think is cool about this palette too is that we get a lot of bigger eyeshadows with more everyday shadows and stuff like that. So I don't know, let's like get into it and create some magic. I mean, who knows, but I don't think I'll ever stop doing bronzer in the crease as my first step. It just kind of gets rid of any creasing and sets me up for success. But let's get closer. Just a nice, you know, it feels so good to be back. I really missed everybody and excited to be here. I've been having a lot of good conversations lately about not getting lost in the sauce and doing what feels true to you. And at this moment, I've been thinking about YouTube for so long and I'm like, you know what, today's the day. It's about to be holiday season. We're going out. Outside is open finally. And I was so inspired by this palette. I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but I just think the colors are dope, honestly. I love these colors so much. But these mattes are sex. Like, look, I didn't even put that much on there and they're just very pigmented and gorgeous. Wow. These are something else. Like, look at those. Okay, so we have to figure out what we're doing here, guys. I'm also not a person who uses a ton of eyeshadow colors for one look. I usually like to stick to like 1 to 3 max, but maybe after our break the ice video, we could do another look with the same palette if you want. Or maybe I'll just do it on other socials like TikTok and stuff. But okay, I don't know what to do with this blue, but it's kind of calling my name, and let's just have like a freestyle session. I don't know why this is my starting point, but it is. Let's just start right here and we'll blend it in. Oh, I didn't put my phone on silent, huh? Which is weird because no one ever texts me unless I'm doing something cool, like rejoining YouTube. This is so beautiful. I'm just kind of like letting it sink into where it wants to sink into. I'm not really being super careful. I think we should just go crazy. Let's vibe, I think. And then let's just do a little wing here too. Why not? This is gonna be crazy simple, I can just tell. I already have a boner. Whoa, that's one eyeshadow. This is what I'm saying. Like, I don't like to use like a crazy amount of eyeshadows. I just want impact and simplicity. If I can get like the vibe I'm trying to get without using hella shadows, which is why this is exciting to me because the possibilities are kind of endless with this. I'm gonna try and drag it out kind of to make an infinity line like that. Wow, welcome back to YouTube, you know what I mean? I miss this and I miss you guys. You know what's so funny? Like, the difference between doing like vertical video and the difference with YouTube is like I'm pretty disorganized in the way and have no rhyme or reason to my method that like it's hard to capture that in 1 minute. Where on YouTube I have a little bit more time where we can kind of create stuff as we go. But anyways, I want to make this like an open discussion for like what we want to talk about, because I have so many stories about the industry and my time off. Like, I just didn't want to come on here and blab about stuff maybe you don't want to hear. If you're still here, like, I'm hella grateful for that. And I'm just gonna get back to what I love, my roots, makeup, and doing whatever the hell I want. I was talking to my friend T and I was like, you know, someone I think was trying to be shady, but it was one of the greatest compliments of my life. And they said, look like you were raised by a pack of wolves and you just slap stuff on your face and somehow it looks good. And I'm like, I want to bring that vibe back because that's who I am to my core. And that's how I like to approach makeup, kind of. So putting that like transition in the crease helps it blend. Okay, so sorry, I didn't even show you. It was this, which is the blue, obviously. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. See what it looks like with a finger first. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that is such a pretty color. I'm gonna go in with a brush. I kind of want it to look just a little wet. I think that's such a pretty color. If you're doing this at home, you don't have to go as far as I do, but why not try it out? Let's just have a good time. What I was saying before is I want this to be an open discussion. Like, I kind of want to just talk and do my makeup. I feel like I've been doing this for like 10 years and a lot of people already kind of know how to do their makeup by now. So why not have like a little vibe on here where we do that? I kind of want YouTube to be my diary. I feel so comfortable here. Also, I'm gonna go here. Just a little tap in there. Wow, that is such a beautiful color. I'm gonna put a little of that sparkle on here. So whenever I'm finished my eyeshadow, especially when it's kind of bold, I like to just touch up my concealer just in case I've done anything a little crazy, which normally I do. Like, get it everywhere. See how it just kind of brightens it up? Get all the stuff I got on my nose. I've been really into this Rare Beauty liquid blush. This one's in Grace. Just gonna do a little bit because like one night I thought it was so cute and I did it and I put like so much. So I'm gonna like take it a little easier. Give it a little finger blend. Pull it kind of under the eye. And anyways, what I was saying was I feel like I wear a lot less makeup and it's different now to do makeup on YouTube, but because I'm not teaching so much, I'm just sharing looks. And I think it's been like that for a long time, but I'm excited to just start sharing looks again and bringing simple dramatic looks back on here, you know what I mean? Remember when I said I was just gonna do a little bit? Well, keep adding more. Also, if you haven't tried the Onesize powder, so many people have told me that my skin looks so good, I have no pores, etc. And it's because of this. It makes it look so smooth. And I like to set my liquid blush kind of like I'm just putting on a little bit. Whatever's left on the sponge is what I kind of go for. But most of the powder is going right underneath my eye. And then especially in between the brow. Now we're all set up for some bronzer. I'm still religiously using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Nothing's changed there. I'm just gonna blend it out. Some on the neck. Let's do a quick nose contour, and I just want you to see how this will transform my face. Not that anything's wrong with my nose, but just it pulls it all together. Like it just looks like something's missing right now. So I like to go right down the side, same as always. Right on the tip like that. Pulled together, except I'll probably fix my forehead off camera. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. I don't think I'm gonna do the bottom. I haven't been into the bottom mascara lately, but maybe just a bit. I'm gonna take my Rokill Beauty lashes in Aurora. These are falling apart. I thought these were ones I just wore the other day and opened, but I don't think they are. But they'll probably still slay, I'm not gonna lie. Because I had some like old ones kicking around and I was like, you know what, it's time to get a new one. Open a new pack. And I think these are the ones that made me decide it's time to open a new pack. Oh, they're fine. I can still get it on. But these last actually really long. Okay, so this side's a little more spiky, but that's okay. Still getting the fantasy here. I'm just gonna do lip balm. This is the Biossance Squaline Rose Vegan Lip Balm. Plumps it up. Like I said, this is our icebreaker tutorial. I'm gonna take my headband off and like, I'll be right back. Well, I think my headband made my forehead weird, but that's okay. Or maybe I did. Maybe I should take responsibility for my own actions. Anyways, this is our icebreaker tutorial. I just wanted to do something quick and comfortable using products that are comfortable for me. Obviously, Pat McGrath, huge fan here. I'm really excited to be back, and this channel won't just be makeup. I just want to invite you more into my life. Like I said earlier, I want my YouTube to be my diary and my exclusive club for all my best friends. And that was something I was always afraid to do for a very long time, was invite people in, and I'd always kind of like stick to myself. But I know I have a community out there and I want to strengthen it, and I want to strengthen each other, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Whoa, I haven't said that in a long time. Love yourself, as we all should. Stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.